Hello everyone, so I have two Fendi unboxings. One is a new vintage and the other one is vintage. I'll explain to you as to why one is new vintage versus a real vintage. Okay, so the first one is actually bought new in the 1990s when my parents went to Europe, and Italy was one of their stops on the European tour. So my mother went into a Fendi boutique and she had bought a bag, and she really didn't really use it as much, and you know, I was really young then, so I wasn't really into too much luxury handbags, although I was into handbags then, but not luxury brands because obviously I couldn't afford it. But Fendi was the first type of handbag that I was kind of like familiar with. You know, I didn't know too much about Louis Vuitton or Gucci. I don't know, it was just one of those things where like Fendi was just something that was like implanted in my mind when it comes to like luxury brands. So yeah, so my mom bought this new, and unfortunately I tried looking it up online to see what kind of bag it is, and of course this was many years ago, so she no longer has a receipt. I don't know what brand it is, but I can tell you it's kind of timeless because it does have the logo, and I know Fendi has been trending lately, especially with the F logo. I'm not sure how you call it, but I guess Karl Lagerfeld. I know that Karl Lagerfeld actually designed the logo, you know, in the 80s, I think, when they decided to kind of have got him on board. Hello, cat. It's my cat. He's decided to be a cameo. Anyway, let's go ahead and reveal the new vintage bag. Alright, so it came with a dust bag. I don't think my mother remembers getting a box then, so either that or she threw it out, or maybe she did not pack it because it was too bulky. So here it is. There we go. Sorry, let's see if we can. So it has one of those, I'm not sure what we call these locks, but I know Louis Vuitton has a special type of lock.